Ever go to the pharmacy and get sticker shock at the price of medication?
Who hasn't, right? But guess what? There are ways to get huge discounts on the medication you need. That's if you know how. Lauren Tallarico shows us how tonight.
All right, here we go.
From popping cysts.
It's pretty. Should give it a little name, huh?
Ugh, yuck. To diagnosing rashes.
My suspicion is they don't blanch with pressure.
Houston's Dr. John Gilmore posts it all on his YouTube channel.
And I learned that there were medical videos on YouTube, and I thought, wow, this is a great way to reach people. We're usually magnified 4x.
Dr. Gilmore uses it as a medical megaphone, covering more practical issues too, like how to save big on medications. I'm talking from 10 to 90%.
So there's lots of ways to find discounts on a medication.
Here's how. Number 1, shop around.
What they don't realize is the price isn't the same everywhere. Call the different pharmacy chains and just ask them, what's the cash price?
Cash price means what you pay without insurance, which brings us to number 2. Don't assume insurance is the way to go.
If it's a generic product, oftentimes, and this is sad but true, the copay and the price that they're going to pay for that medication with their insurance is more expensive than the simple cash price.
Number 3, use a price comparison tool online like GoodRx.com or RetailMeNot.com.
And it will tell you who has the best price in the area, and they even often will have a coupon that you can print right out, $35. CVS, $29.
But with the online coupon, we found this medication for $19. Oh, also, your doctor, the pharmacy, and drug manufacturer might also offer coupons. Number 4, don't be afraid to ask your doctor for free meds.
If you need something to get you through that copay time or that beginning of the year time where it's a little bit more difficult, ask for samples. You'd be surprised what we can do.
I'm Lauren Tallarico, and now you know.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I just reordered a 90-day supply. I have more energy, I'm in a better mood.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.